Hello everyone, and in this video I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT 4 and 4.0 to quickly and easily create PowerPoint presentations with just a few prompts, and this is such a simple process that you can complete it within a few minutes. And you can see here that I'm actually using ChatGPT and not ChatGPT 4.0 just to show you that you're perfectly capable of creating this on this version. Aware the warning, though you will reach your usage cap very quickly, so I'd only recommend that you use it to upload documents and to create the PowerPoint if you're not planning to upload anything for the next few hours. If you are planning to create a lot of PowerPoint presentations using ChatGPT, then what I do recommend is that you follow the second process that I'll show you in the next part of the video. So the first thing that you need to do is decide what you want to create the presentation on. So you can use ChatGPT to write the specific content for you, or you can input some content that you can use as a guide. So in my case, I want to create a presentation that is based on an article. So what I'll do is I'm just going to drag in an article that I have already got, and I'm going to use this as my base to start my prompting process. So I'm going to add a prompt here that says, create a 6-slide presentation from this article, ensuring they include the following: a slide on theoretical framework, methodology, results, and discussion. Include any references that are used. You can see now it's come back with a 6-slide presentation. We've got a title slide. Okay, and you can add the authors and the institution if you wanted to. Introduction. It's got the objective, the scope, significance of the paper. You've got the theoretical framework like we asked for it in the prompt, and the different sections as well, the methodology, results, discussion, conclusion. And now I've got a reference page as well that I can use. So now that I've got the basic outline of my presentation, the next step that I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do is to actually convert it into a PowerPoint presentation. So I'm just going to add here a prompt that says, convert the above slides into a well-formatted PowerPoint presentation. Okay, and I'm going to enter that. So you can see that it has now come back with the presentation. It says the PowerPoint presentation has been created and saved. You can download it using the link below. And just to let you know, it took about, let's say 50 seconds to about a minute to create this presentation. So you just have to a bit of time to actually process. So now we're going to download the presentation. I'm going to open it. And you can see that I've now got a PowerPoint presentation, but we need to do a few things to it. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to design. And the first thing I need to do is go where it says slide size. I need to change that to widescreen so it fits the PowerPoint look and feel. And then what I need to do is I'm going to come up here to the different themes and choose a theme that would go with my presentation. So to say we go with this one. Okay, and then we can, if I wanted to do like specific changes on each slide, what I can do is then I can take each slide and come here on this side and just choose a different style and format the presentation. But we can see very quickly I've got a full PowerPoint presentation that I have developed with ChatGPT. And if I wanted to change this, I can go back to ChatGPT and amend it and create a new presentation. So the other way to do this so that you don't reach your usage limit quite quickly is to just add an extra step. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the slides that we have already obtained from ChatGPT. And the next thing is that we need to go to microsoftoffice.com. So I'm going to click on that. And if you don't have an account, you can just sign up for free and create a personal account. And once you're in, this is the interface you're going to see. So you need to go to Microsoft Word. So I'm going to open that and just open a blank document. And once you have that open, all you're going to do is you're going to paste in the slides that you have from ChatGPT. So now I've got all my presentation slides here. Now the next thing I need to do is I'm going to go to File and I'm going to select Export. And you'll see here that there's Export to PowerPoint presentation. Now just let me mention here that sometimes you might find that this option is grayed out. So what you need to do is usually just to log out and log back in. And also what I found is quite useful is just to make sure your browser is actually logged in with the same account. So I'm going to export to PowerPoint presentation. And then again, you'll see that you have an option to choose the theme that you want. So you can go for whichever theme. And I'm just going to go for, let's say, this one. And now my presentation is ready, so I'm going to open the presentation. So as you can see, we've now got a full presentation with the slides that we have created from ChatGPT. And I can go to the individual slide, then I can change it to the format that I want. So say I choose this one, and it's, again, a very quick and simple, easy process. So I hope you found this video useful and that you give it a go, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.